to sit patiently, don't lose your patience, and hear it, concentrate attention. There is some language difficulty speaking in Oriya, so those who cannot understand Oriya, they may lose patience or become angry with me. Don't do like that. Similarly, those who cannot understand English, they may become angry with me and lose patience. Should not do like that. Have patience. And here, Gaura Katha, Gaura Leela Rahasya, the confidential Leelas of Gauranga is not easy thing to understand. Very, very confidential tattva is Gaura tattva, not easy to understand on the part of ordinary people. Again, it's not easy thing to speak on Gaura also. I express my inability, disqualification also to speak on Gaura. I have no qualification. I am very, very low, degraded, fallen, jiva, soul. How can I speak on Gaura? Mahaprabhu, when Mahaprabhu was traveling in the South India, he met Raya Ramananda on the bank of Godavari. He asked many questions to Raya Ramananda. The Raya Ramananda gave befitting answers. At that time, Raya Ramananda said, I don't know what I am speaking. More mukhe bhakta tumi hu sruta. Mahaprabhu, I don't know what I am speaking. You speak through me and you hear. Similarly, I have no qualification. I cannot speak on Gaura. Therefore I beg mercy, a lotus feet of Gaura, unless he speaks. How can I speak? So, that mercy I beg at the lotus feet of Gaura. Let him use me to speak on him, on his Leela. Very confidential Leela. It's not easy thing, very, very confidential and very, very high tattva. It is generally said, Chaitanya Charitamrita is postgraduate study. Only the postgraduate students can understand it, study it and understand it. Those who are students of primary school or secondary school, how can they understand? It's postgraduate. So, how many postgraduate students are here? That's a question. All are primary or pre-primary. Students of pre-primary class. How can they understand Gaura Leela, which is very, very deep, very, very confidential, very, very high? Impossible. If only Param Dayal, supremely merciful, wonderfully merciful, Gaura showers his mercy upon them, they may be able to understand. Otherwise, cannot understand. Similarly, I request them, please offer prayers at the lotus feet of Sachidananda Gaurahari, who is very, very wonderfully merciful. Let him shower his mercy on you. Thereby, you will be able to understand is Leela Tattva. So all of you should offer prayer in your mind, lotus feet of Gaura. Unless you shower your mercy on me, how can you understand? Mukam karoti vachalam pangulangheti giri jat kripastum vande. Sri Guru Dinatarine. Again, Guru Krupa. The mercy of Guru is required. Guru is a Gaura Priyajana, dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Also, we should beg mercy at the lotus feet of our revered spiritual master, Guru Deva, Prabhupada Ji Maharaj. Then you'll be able to understand Gaura Tattva. Otherwise, you cannot understand it. The mercy of Guru and Gauranga is required. So I'll speak in two languages. First in Oriya I will speak, then I'll speak English, then I'll speak something in Oriya, then in English. In that way I'll proceed. Not that at a stretch I'll speak Oriya, at a stretch I will speak English. No, not that thing. So, a person sit down quietly and hear concentredly. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhuଙ୍କର କରୁଣାର ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ ନେଇ କଳେବର ସତ ସନ୍ଦିଧାର ଜର ସତ ସନ୍ଦିଧାର ଜର ତବ ଏଇ କଳେବର ସତ ସନ୍ଦିଧାର ଜର ତବ ଏଇ କଳେବର ପତନ ହୋଇବେ କଦିନ ପତନ ହୋଇବେ କଦିନ ভস্ম ক্রমে বিষ্ঠা হবে সকলের গণ্য তবে ভস্ম ক্রমে বিষ্ঠা হবে সকলের গণ্য তবে ইহাতে মমতার বাচিন ইহাতে মমতার বাচিন ওরে মন শুন মোর এ সত্য বচন ওরে মন শুন মোর এ সত্য বচন এ রোগর মহৌষধি কৃষ্ণ নাম নিরবধি এ রোগর মহৌষধি কৃষ্ণ নাম নিরবধি নিরাময় কৃষ্ণ রসায়ন নিরাময় কৃষ্ণ রসায়ନ ଏ କଥା କୁଳଶେଖରଙ୍କର ବାଣୀ। ତେଣୁ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ କହିଲେ ବ୍ରଜେ କ୍ରୀଡ଼ା করে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমাবিষ্ট হইয়া ব্রজে ক্রীড়া করে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমাবিষ্ট হইয়া যথেচ্ছ বিহরি কৃষ্ণ করে অন্তর ধ্যান যথেচ্ছ বিহরি কৃষ্ণ করে অন্তর ধ্যান Dari bhavo bhakiriya nachamu bhuvana.
Dari bhavo bhakiriya nachamu bhuvana.
Apani karimu bhakto bhavangi kare.
Apani karimu bhakto bhavangi kare.
Apani achari bhakti sikhamu samare.
Apani achari bhakti sikhamu samare.
अंतर्ध्यान करी मने करे अनुमान तांकर होइते
जुग धर्म प्रवर्तन होए अंश होइते
आमा बिना अन्य नारे ब्रज प्रेम दीते
आमा बिना अन्य नारे ब्रज प्रेम गीते
ताते अपन भक्तो गण करी संगे
ताते अपन भक्त गण करि संगे
पृथ्वीते अवतरी करिमुना नारंगे
पृथ्वीते अवतारे करिमुना नारंगे
अत भावी कली काले प्रथम संध्याय
भावी कली काले प्रथम संध्या
अवतीर्ण हईला कृष्ण अपनी नदियाए
अवतीर्ण
हईला कृष्ण अपनी नदियाए तेणु तांकर अवतीर्ण हेले जे गौर रूप रे कृष्ण अवतीर्ण हेले लास्ट द्वापर जुग कृष्ण दि सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी गॉडहेड कृष्ण नंद नंदन कृष्ण son of Nanda Maharaj, Jasdanandan Krishna, descended here in this material world, showering his mercy and the jivas, manifested varieties of leelas, Leela Purushottama. So in his Kurukshetra Leela, he gave his message in the form of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. His direct message directly coming out from his lips. Through Arjuna, he gave it to whole mankind. And there he gave his most confidential instruction. Confidential, more confidential, most confidential instruction. What are his most confidential instruction? Manmana bhava mad bhakto madjaji mang namaskara. Mangavesyasi satyam te pratijane priyasme. Sarva dharman paritejya mamekam saranam vraja. Antam sarpapebhya mukhisyami ma sucha. These are most confidential instruction. In these instruction, he has spoken about Ragamarga Bhakti. This is Ragamarga Bhakti. He is spoken. Yes. Think of me constantly, manmana bhavo. Always think of me. Don't forget me even for a moment in any condition. Become my bhakta, become my devotee, become my servitor, serve me. Madhyaji, offer worship to me, mang namaskara, offer obeisances to me. Definitely you will come to me. Satyam te padijane priyasme. You are very dear to me. Arjuna, I spoke you this truth, supreme truth. Sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja. Abandoning all of the rights of dharma, so-called dharma, just surrender unto me. The last thing is spoken. And this is Raga Marga Bhakti. How can the stupid mind think of Krishna constantly, every moment? The stupid mind thinking? No, not thinking. Not thinking. Thinking? Thinking what? Sutamita Ramani Rachinta. Thinking is wife? Girlfriend? Girlfriend, isn't it? Boyfriend. Boyfriend and girlfriend. Thinking is wife, thinking is son, thinking is daughter, friend, so-called friend, isn't it? Not thinking Krishna. Why?
No love for Krishna.
No love for Krishna, yes. Krishna is the only object of love. And you have not developed love for Krishna. Therefore how the stupid mind can think of Krishna? Krishna is your dear friend. Sridham Sarvabhutanam. Who says, I am the only well-wishing friend? Well-wishing friend of all living entities. What is your real benefit? He spoke. But you cannot follow, you cannot accept it. You cannot put faith in the words of Krishna. Isn't it? Have you faith in the words of Krishna? Have you faith? No faith. You have no faith. Yes, Krishna knows it, who knows everything. Nobody can completely surrender unto Krishna without love of Krishna. Do you understand? Without love of Krishna, your so-called surrender is either artificial, conditional, or partial. Not true, not complete surrender. Understand? So, love is required. Prema prayojana tattva. So this picks up Ragamarga Bhakti. This is Ragamarga Bhakti. Yes, based on love. So Krishna spoke all these things. Then he wound up his Leela, went back to his abode. Golok Vrindavan, sitting there, he is thinking, because he is our well-wishing friend. Therefore, he loves us so much, but you have no love for him. Isn't it? He loves us so much, but you have no love for him. How will it be? Love means reciprocal. It's not one-sided. It's one-sided love. Will you love a wooden frame of girl? Will you love? Go, love him, love him. Will you? No, yes, go. No, we cannot do it because no reciprocation. This is reciprocal. These two sides are there, not one-sided. Love means two-sided. Lover, beloved. Object of love and abode of love. Pridir Visoy, Pridir Asroy. Understand my language? Have you offered prayer to Gaura? Then you can understand. Otherwise, without his mercy, you cannot understand. You cannot, I tell you. Two sides. Pridir Visoy, Pridir Asroy. The object of love and abode of love. Therefore, there is reciprocation. How can they understand? Unless they have developed love for Krishna, they cannot understand. Therefore, Krishna loves us so much. He is thinking there in his abode. But you are not thinking. Nonsense. Where is my stick? Keep my stick ready. Yes, danda chahi. Danda maro, inko danda maro. Danda maro. Beat him with the stick. Danda maro. Isn't it? Required, that is required, yes. So nobody can understand, you see. So this is, Krishna loves us so much, But we are such rascals. We have no love, twinge of love towards Krishna, Baba. Huh? You see? So, Krishna is thinking that thing in his abode. I have spoken all these things. If somebody is fortunate, if he understands the purport of my saying, then he can get me, he can come to me, approach me. Otherwise, cannot. But how many can understand? How many? After Dwapar Yuga, Kali Yuga has come, most degraded age, most sinful age, everybody is committing sinful activity consciously or unconsciously, isn't it? So their consciousness is completely degraded, polluted consciousness. How can they understand what I have said? Maya Baddha Jiva, conditioned soul, captured in the net of Maya, trap of Maya, he cannot understand my instruction, he cannot follow it. He is in bodily conception of life, yes, materially conditioned jiva, developed bodily conditioned life, the temporary material body, all is only thinking of this material enjoyment, bodily enjoyment, sense gratification, isn't it? Isn't it? How can he understand? He doesn't know at all. Only knows that this is the only happiness here. It's a material enjoyment, sense enjoyment. He doesn't know. There is some higher happiness. He doesn't know it. Do you understand? He doesn't know at all. He doesn't know at all. How can he understand me? Krishna is thinking there in his abode. Only I have said theoretically, I have said this thing, I have instructed this thing. If he can understand some fortunate jiva, if he follows it, then he will definitely get me. But conditioned jiva, conditioned soul, bodily constitutional life, who has accepted a temporary material body, thinking the body is everything, and to get pleasure, happiness to the body, bodily pleasure, bodily happiness, material enjoyment is the goal of my life, is be all and end all of life. What is that? Be all and end all?
Yes.
Yes. He has accepted this thing. He cannot put faith in my words. Yes, he cannot put faith in my words, such a person, who is in bodily constitutional life, who is materially intoxicated. He cannot put faith in my words. Krishna knows this. Have you faith in Krishna's words? No. Therefore you have complained, Maharaj, my body is very weak. I have this disease. I am suffering. I cannot follow it, you see. Yes. Isn't it? He's saying, today is Gaura's Abhirbhava, appearance day. Isn't it? Appearance of day of Prema Purushottama Sachinandan Gaura Hari, Patita Pavana Gaura Hari. So we have Brata Divas. This is Brata Divas. So Bhaktas, devotees, they take a brata, fasting today. Even not to drink a drop of water till evening. That is the time of appearance. Very strict brata. Why? Krishna Pritya Bhogatyaga. Why you accept a brata? Because for his pleasure. to give for his pleasure, we have taken up this brata for his pleasure. Do you understand? So we have given up all our eating. Eating, do you understand? This is brata. His pleasure is our goal. Yes. Our goal is how to give pleasure, how to give him pleasure, not for your pleasure. Then you cannot become Krishna Dasa. You are imitating Krishna. Understand? You are envious of Krishna then. You are envious. Krishna is the only enjoyer. And both the jiva, conditioned soul, have developed this abhiman that I am enjoyer. These are all meant for my enjoyment, isn't it? You are envious of Krishna. Yes. How can you become his das? Can you become his das? Have you become das? Have you? No, you have not become das. You are Maya das. You are das of your senses or body, isn't it? You have not become Krishna das. Then only posing artificially. Artificial, great hypocrite, isn't it? Hypocrisy only. Nonsense. Hypocrisy. Give up this hypocrisy. Become real, true servant of Krishna. Krishna Das. That Krishna wants. He is so merciful. He is so merciful. He thinks such a conditioned soul cannot put faith in my words. Because he has accepted the Vishaya Sukha, this material happiness, sense enjoyment is be all and end all of my life. Understand? He is committing such a great blunder. But he'll never admit that I am committing such a great blunder. Do you admit? Can you admit? Can you admit? No, Krishna says he cannot admit. Yes, he cannot admit that I am committing a great blunder. Yes. Krishna knows you very well. Don't cheat Krishna. Krishna is supreme cheater, Baba. Do you understand? Mark Garden. Krishna is supreme cheater. Don't try to cheat him. Yes. Don't try to cheat him. Yes. Krishna says he cannot admit that he is committing a great blunder. Yes. Such a jiva, Visoi jiva, materially intoxicated jiva, he cannot follow my instruction. Krishna thinks like that. You understand? Then he thinks, I have only said theoretically. Yes. I have not set up example before them. I have not set up example. Example is better than precept. That popular saying is there, example is better than precept. I have only said theoretically, but I have not set up example before them. So, I will go again to set up example. He thought of that thing. These conditioned souls, materially intoxicated, jivas, they are eating stool, thinking it is amrut, nectar. Yes, very nice. The hog thinks, oh, the human beings are so full, great fools. They are not eating such nice thing I am eating, such nectar, they are eating something else. A hog, isn't it? Are not you a hog? Yes, it's a hog. Yes. Hog thinks like that. The human beings are so fools. They are not eating such nice thing I am eating. They are eating something else. Yes. Krishna knows this thing, though he thinks like that. Yes. They are eating stools. They are eating the nasty, filthy, they're drinking filthy water from drains. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. How can they understand? And eating stool, drinking filthy drain water, they are getting pleasure. Oh, very nice. Oh, so sweet, so sweet. Yes, yes. How can they understand my instruction? Huh? Can they? No, no. If I will put some, I'll go and put some nice sweet milk into this filthy water. When they taste it, oh, this is superior. They get a superior taste, then they will give up this eating stool and drinking filthy drain water. Isn't it? This is Krishna's thoughts. Understand how Krishna is merciful, how he loves you, how he loves you, how he loves you. You have no tinge of love for him. Huh? Such sinful affair, huh? Isn't it? Krishna loves you so much. He thinks so much of you, but you have no thought at all. Huh? Understand my language? So, Krishna thought of like that. So I must go now. Again I have to go. Again I have to go to set up example. Many yugas have already passed in some kalpa. In some kalpa, I had gone and given prem bhakti. Many thousand yugas have gone, I have not given prem bhakti. For long period. So this time I'll go and give prema bhakti and set up example. So this is Krishna's thought. This is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Dasa Sakha Pita Mata Kantagana Laya.
Dasa Sakha Pita Mata Kantagana Laya.
Braje Krida Kare Krishna Prema Vishtoya. Braje Krida Kare Krishna Prema Vishtoya. Jote Chobi Hari Krishna Kare Anto Dhyana.
Jote Chobi Hari Krishna Kare Anto Dhyana.
Antardhyana Kari Mani Kare Anumana. Antardhyana Kari Mani
Kare Anumana.
Chiro Kalo Kari Nahi Prema Bhakti Dana. Chiro Kalo Kari Nahi
Prema Bhakti Vidana.
Bhakti Vina Jagatore Nahi Avasthana. Bhakti Vina Jagatore Nahi Avasthana. Juga Dharma Pravartana Namo Sankirtana.
Juga Dharma Pravartana Dhamma Sankirtana.
Dari Bhavo Bhakti Diya Nachamu Bhuvana. Dari Bhavo Bhakti Diya Nachamu Bhuvana. Apani Karimu Bhakta Bhavangi Karoe.
Apani Karimu Bhakta
আপনিয়া চরি ভক্তি শিখামু সবারে
আপনিয়া চরি ভক্তি শিখামু সবারে
You have translation? Read it.
Absorbed in such transcendental love, Lord Sri Krishna enjoys in Braja with his devoted servants, friends, parents, and conjugal lovers. Lord Krishna enjoys his transcendental pastimes as long as he wishes, and then he disappears. After disappearing, however, he thinks thus: for a long time I have not bestowed unalloyed loving service to me upon the inhabitants of the world.
Not given prem bhakti. Yes.
Without such loving attachment, the existence of the material world is useless.
Useless. Huh? Understand what Krishna says? Without such loving attachment, the existence in the material world is useless. Huh? Have you developed such loving attachment to Krishna? Huh? No. You have attachment to this nasty body, isn't it? Material body that gives you all trouble, all suffering, all pain, isn't it? You have developed attachment to this body, temporary material body, and bodily relations, wife, son, daughter, friend, isn't it? Wife, husband, son, daughter, friend, so-called. No, loving attachment to Krishna. Without the loving attachment, existence here is useless. I was saying that thing, 2 days Vrata Divas, we have to fast. Even not to drink a drop of water till evening, the time of the appearance of Gaura, isn't it? Such Vrata, some complain, Maharaj, I have problem. I have colic pain. If I won't eat anything, drink, so much pain. Oh, I die. Huh? I have weak body, Maharaj, I have weak body, what is that? Anemia? What is that? Anemia. I have anemia. I cannot tolerate it. Isn't it? So many complaints coming. Maharaj, if I don't eat, my weight is decreasing. Baba, body you need. I every day take weight. Oh, it is decreasing. Such body consciousness, And we have put this body, nasty material body, temporary body, giving all trouble, all suffering, isn't it? In the platform of love. We have not put Krishna, the object of love, in the platform of love. So, what Krishna says, without loving attachment towards me, the existence in this material body is useless. Why will stay here? Why will exist here? For what? To eat stool? To eat stool, only stay here, then become hot. It's stool. Nonsense. Why such a human body is granted to you? What is the destination of this body? Kulasekhar Maharaj says, idam sarirang sadasannidharjaram padatyavasyam parinama pesalam yamausadhim pruchasi mudha durmate niramayam krishna rasayanam viva sata sannidharadhara tavoyi kalevaro
Fatima Matarvatina
Ore mona suna moro e satya vachana
Ore Mana Suna Mora E Satya Vachana
e roge rama hosari Krishna nama niravadi
Roge Rama Sadi Krishna Nama
niravadi niramayo Krishna rosayona
Niramaya Krishna Rosayana
You have developed loving attachment to this nasty body, isn't it? Temporary, material body, nasty body, giving you all trouble, giving you all sufferings. Is a very good body, but you have developed so much attachment to it. Nonsense. What's such rascaldom? That body gives you so much trouble, gives you so much suffering, gives you so much unhappiness. You have developed attachment towards it. Give up that attachment. Only attachment is Krishna. Without loving attachment to Krishna, your existence in material world is useless, useless. So, what is destination of this body? What is this body? It's filled with bones, mucus, bile, air, stool, urine, blood, flesh, marrow. All these nasty things are filled, isn't it? Any moment it will finish, isn't it? Any moment it will be finished. When this body is dead, what will happen? The jackals, the vultures will eat it, isn't it? Put in cremation ground, lie there, the jackals, vultures, dogs will eat, then pass to. Isn't it? Then ultimate is that this will be passed like stools. Vultures, dogs, hogs, jackals. And you have so much attachment to this body. There's so much attachment to this body. Which consequences, last thing is like that, it will pass out as stool. Understand me? Why you have developed such loving attachment to this nasty body? Why? Why you have developed such loving attachment to this nasty body?
Lust.
Foolishness, rascaldom, nothing else, isn't it? Oh, rascaldom. Yes, give up this rascaldom, give up this foolishness, develop your loving attachment to all attractive object of Krishna, a beautiful Krishna. Understand? So, stupid mind thinks like that this instruction in the mind, oh mind, oh mind, oh my brother mind, I tell you this thing, Suna more satya vachan, I speak you the truth. You are a diseased person. You are affected with disease. Therefore you have developed such attachment towards this nasty body. Isn't it? So I tell you, I have a medicine for you to cure this disease. What is that? এরোগের মহৌষধি কৃষ্ণ নাম নিরবধি এরোগের মহৌষধি
কৃষ্ণ নাম নিরবধি
নিরাময় কৃষ্ণ রসায়ন নিরাময় I have brought medicine for you. Do you understand? I have brought, oh stupid mind. You are affected with disease, therefore you develop such attachment to the nasty body. So to cure this disease, I have brought medicine. What is that? It's unfailing medicine, Mahausadhi, Amagausadhi, Niramayo Krishna Rasayana. This is his holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Nama Niramadhi, Niramaya Krishna Rasayana. Do you understand? One who has weak body, anemia, what do you say? Anemia.
Anemic.
Anemia?
Yes.
What, I don't know. Anemic, weak body, losing weight, losing day by day, I'm losing weight. My body becoming skinny. Isn't it? Body becoming skinny, losing weight. So much body consciousness, losing weight. So I have gotten this disease for you. I have gotten unfailing medicine for you. This is Krishna Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This Rasayana is an elixir. Elixir?
Elixir.
Huh? Elixir?
Yeah.
I have brought elixir for you, Rasayana. If you drink it, nectarian elixir, very nectarian elixir, you have it, this medicine, then you find how nice the body will be. Yes, you'll be free, you'll be cured of this disease, anemia, weakness of this consciousness, body consciousness, everything will go away, you'll be cured, then you'll find very nice body you have. Your food is completely different food now. No stool. You want stool now. What is that food? Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha, such nectarian, Bhagavata Katha, Nigama Kalpatar Galita Phala. Most sweetest, ripest,
Juicy fruit.
nectarian juicy fruit. Sweetest ripened, most ripened, sweetest nectarian juicy fruit of Vedic tree. That will be the food. That will be the food, not the stool be food. Understand? Complete different taste. Yes. That will be food, that will be life you will have. Such blissful, ecstatic, happy life, constantly happy life. Don't you want to have it? Krishna, who is your only well-wishing friend, he is coming here, descending here, and giving you this medicine. Mahaprabhu said, Eneti Ausodhi Maya Nasivaro Lagi. Ever well-wisher, well-wisher, friend. Krishna says, I have descended here for you only. तुम्हारे लोहिते आमी हैनु अवतारो
तुम्हारे लोहिते आमी हैनु अवतारो
आमी बिना बंधुआरो के आछे तुम्हारो
आमी बिना बंधुआरो
औषधि माया नासिबारो लागि
औषधि माया नासिबारो लागि
हरि नाम महामन्त्र लेओ तुमी मागी
हरि नाम महामन्त्र
hog. For you, I descend here. Understand? For you, I descend here. Is there any friend of yours but me? Is there? You accept it? Or artificially? From the lips or the core of heart? Speaking from the lips or core of heart? No, thoughtful. No, thoughtful, cannot answer. Speaking from the lips only, yes. You hog. Mahaprabhu, तुम्हारे लोहिता आमी हैनु अवतार आमी बिना बंधु और क्या छे तुम्हार? For you I descend here. Is there any friend of yours but me? I know you very well, I know you very well. You cannot cheat me, you cannot cheat me. I know you very well, very old, very old. In bodily constitutional life affected with a virulent disease. Yes, virulent disease, isn't it? Virulent disease. Nice language.
Very strong language.
Virulent disease, yes. I know you very well, but I have brought medicine for you. What is that? Hari Nama Maha Mantra Leo Tumi Magi Hari Nama Maha Mantra Leo Tumi Magi. So I have brought this medicine for you. And it's Ausodhi Maya, Lasibar Lagi, to annihilate Maya, to destroy Maya, to kill Maya completely. I have medicine. This is Harinam Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Doctor's medicine may fail, but this will never fail. Unfailing medicine, Amog Ausada. Do you understand? But you should have faith in it. Faith. Strong faith, unflinching faith. If you with unflinching faith accept the medicine, you'll be cured of this disease. Maya. You'll be completely free from clutches of Maya. No more bodily constitution of life than Krishna conscious life you'll get. Understand? This will cure you completely. This Harinam Mahamantra, and you have no faith in it. Therefore thinking of this body, oh, I am losing weight, my body becoming skinny. Anemic is developing enemy. But such medicine, why are you not taking? Such a fool. So, therefore bhakti vina jagatare nahi avasthan. Without this loving attachment, there is your existence, the material world is useless. Then, Juga Dharma Pravartamanam Sankirtanachari Bhava Bhakti Ryanacham Bhuvan Apani Karim Bhakta Bhavangikare Apani Achari Bhakti Sikam Savare.
I shall personally inaugurate the religion of the age, Nam Sankirtan, the congregational chanting of the holy name. I shall make the world dance in ecstasy, realizing the four mellows of loving devotional service.
Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhurya, 4. Yes.
I shall accept the role of a devotee,
Yes.
and I shall teach devotional service by practicing it myself.
So, Krishna came as a devotee, Baba. Krishna thought of. I shall appear in the role of a devotee. Assume the mode of a devotee. Krishna is Bhagavan, not a Bhakta. Is Krishna Bhakta? Krishna is Bhagavan. We are Bhakta. But Bhagavan came as Bhakta. Understand? I will play the role of a devotee. Let's assume the mode of a devotee. Practice devotion in my life and teach. So to teach devotion to us, to teach how to surrender unto Krishna, that Krishna came as a devotee. Do you understand? Bhakta Rupa, form of a devotee. So, a devotee puts on peacock feather. What such foolishness? Can't you understand this thing? Put a peacock feather on his head, hog's head, horse head. Hog is Krishna now, hog is Krishna. So, I'll make the whole world dance. Ecstasy giving four bhava bhakti, dasya, sakhya, vatsalya, madhurya. Do you understand? Make the whole world dance. I'll practice devotion in my life and teach. Unless one practices himself, he cannot teach. There is no right to teach. And no right to teach. Adhikar nahi, adhikar nahi, adhikar nahi. Isn't it? You have no adhikar, no right. Unless you practice in your life. So, Krishna came as a devotee to set up example. Yes, that is, example is better than precept. So, it's not that only to, let's say, propagate Juga Dharma, that is not the only purpose. That is not the only purpose, isn't it? Understand? Other purposes are there. What is there? To give this mellows in four relationships, dasya, sakhya, vatsalya, madhura. That means four. Prema, dasya prema, sakhya prema, vatsalya prema, madhurya prema. That is chief purpose. Do you understand? That chief purpose. Juga dharma pravartana oi anso hoite.
Juga dharma pravartana oi anso hoite.
Amabina onenare braja prema dite.
Samabina onenare braja prema dite.
Ahate apana bhakta gana kari sange. Tahate apana bhakta
gana kari sange.
prithivite avatari karimuna narange. Prithivite avatari karimuna narange. Ato bhabi kali kale prathama sandhya. Ato bhabi kali kale
Prathama sandhya
avatirna hoila Krishna apani nadiyaye.
avatirna
hoila Krishna apani nadiyaye. All right, read translation.
My plenary portions can establish the principles of religion for each age.